Nini Jo Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi, segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. This is version 2 of session number 45, reading on Pajok Lacuc. I'm rereading on the Ywaya subclan of the Pajok clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. I've read that section maybe 6 days ago, and I wanted to take some time and re-record the reading or the section on Ywaya, simply because it seemed as if maybe my internet connection was unstable that day. I've been taking some time to attend to family and other matters, but I'm joining the platform today to reread about Ywaya, okay? And I'm going to be publishing this on YouTube. Our YouTube channel is Chaka Leb Acholi, and our official Facebook page is also Chaka Leb Acholi. I will post on YouTube and on our Facebook for all of our followers, subscribers, and audience. If you'd like to be a guest, please leave a comment under this video. And if you're from Ywaya, like I always say, or if you're from the clan that I'm reading about, or a tribe I'm reading about, or a subgroup that I'm reading about, please, you can send me a DM or comment if there's any clarification you want to add, or if you feel that you can add more to what I'm saying about a certain group within the Acholi community. Okay, Apwoyo Matek. You can also follow me on my personal Facebook, where I also post videos, which is Chaka South Sudan. And my TikTok is also Chaka-South Sudan. Apwoyo Matek. I'm not going to spend too much time because I am just reading about Ywaya before I go live and stream reading about Oyere. Okay, right after this one. Apwoyo Matek. Okay, I hope everybody's doing well. Hope the years is starting off okay for some of you. For some of us, it did not. But we put our trust in God, right? So let me get right into reading about Ywaya. Ywaya is the first subgroup that the writer Saturnino Nyala is discussing in his chapter regarding Pajok territories to the right, or territories to the right within the Pajok landscape. Okay, he started off the chapter by saying, Lani, ka Pajok Lacuc kono tie gidok udi matino aboro chalaman Ywaya, Oyere, Toro, Paitenge, Bobi, Palio, Kapa, and Patanga. Okay, so I'm going right into Ywaya. Ywaya is the first one because Ywaya came and wanted to rule everyone that was already in Pajok at that time. Okay, all the Withingom that was already there were pretty much bullied by Ywaya under their chiefdom. I think it was Chief Keny, if I'm pronouncing his name correctly, Keny, Chief Keny, and his brother More. They came down from Lokoro to Pajok. Okay, so La Jojo Choringo regarding Ywaya, La Jojo Chorni, Gang Ywaya Tiegi Dok Udi Martino Angwa Kidman, Ywaya Kal, Ywaya Katum, Ywaya Bolmeja, Gela More, Dok Ot, Angwen Man Duju, Obino Ge Lokoro. Tekwar Pajok Wajani, Road King Aye, Okelo Dana mi Ywaya Kal, Ywaya Katum, Ka Ywaya Bolmeja, Ge Lokoro. Enter Dok Ot mi la more, Oworo Iteloch pa more, Omin Road King. Okay. Dok Orangwen Man, Chon Gichon, Gin Ngene, Kinying Achiel, Ne Kor Nyo Lokoro. Okay. Kala chen gin olungo kom gini Ywaya ki la mo kidma wabineno la chen ibukman. Jo kor o weho lobo mi lokoro ikin moha apara boro gi piera bongwen. Gino awaho gi te God la fone. Pi lok mi laro ke ma obero ikin road ken gin gi omine mo. Okay? Te kwara pa lokoro wachani ikarma alara mi ke obero ma dit jola mo ye ma ochaho waho gi lokoro gino wuro chok nino adek ka gino o e God ematong. Okay? Gikenyu gino chiro ogeri kum God lalak nen chalo inge mo ario nyo adek rod ken dok okwanyo luak mere ki te loch lafoni gin bene okaro gi God imotong ka gikenyu gino chiro ogeri kum God ago. Okay? Gino nongo jo biti gi kapa ma gin bene wehingom. Kadano mi dok ot mi bobi bura pantokera ayu pagaya gi palio ma obino ogero ikom jo biri jo biri gi kapa do bong. Okay? Onodong tie ngoman dok bong onongodong gitie ngoman. Okay? Crasolera o wacho kwede ni e karma jo ywaya o igoragu gino mayo ke pa jo pagaya ki kero gitekon. Okay? Imuahaman bene jo lamu ami Uganda o kwede God goma kama gin onongo ye dano mi patiro jo patiro bene o mayo ke waho gi bod jo lamu Piman o weho dano mi la mo o po ia rio. Okay? Dana mo kene o dak I pajok gino bino o ger I kom la mo mi pajok ka dana mo kene kono o dong ite loch pa ruod mi patira. Okay, source ini Crasolera Muhammad 1950 o aparbong wandi Piera Beach. Okay? Min yang mabe kidma jo koro wuro kwere Kwan buk mingo Wot pa Jo Pajok gia nywak ilobo Acholi. Okay. Ento dana mi Pajok mokene ma abero kapenyo gin chalo prateno abak wajini luak pa ruorkeny peo nongo jo bura palio gi pagaya keken ikom goragu. Gin bene onongo jo biri gi bobi tie kenyo. Dok ora beach bura palio pagaya ayu ki panto kera ma onongo tie ikom goragu gino nongo loyo komgi kengi chi ruot ken ikarma en ook igoragu onongo miro ni dana man duchu miro obed ite loch mere chi jo bura palio pagaya biri gi bobi okwero tampa ruot ken. Okay. Dana mo kene wacho ni Muhammad jo ywaya ogero kwere kom goragu onongo dano mi panto pori tie ikom God adodi. Ka dana mi ayu mi pajok kono onongo tie lagaya. Okay. Te kwara mi pajok wacho ni kidma dano mi palio biri bobi bura gi pagaya dong pe miro bero ite loch parod. Excuse me. Ite loch parod Ywaya. Duan wacho ni ruot keny dong ochwalo luak mere kalwani kum jo palio biti bobi gi bura. Okay. Duan bene wacho ni jo Ywaya olwenyo obwoyo dana mi dok ot a beach man duchu ka oduro gen kwere ite lodge pa ruot keny. Okay. Manok kany jopagaya bene ochiro kalwany ikum dano mi panto igot adodi. Kagin bene ochiro kalwany ikum dano mi ayu lagaya. Lwany man okelo apoga madung ikindano. Tekwara papa Pajok wacho ni inge lwany man jo ayu opoga ario. Dano mokene odonyo ite lodge pa ruod Ywaya ka dano mokene kono oringo Uganda iki gino chiro ogero ipala bek liri ka gin olungo kumgi ni ayu alali. Okay. Kitung chel dano mi palio bene poga ario. Dano mokene odonyo ite lodge pa ruod Ywaya ka dano mokene kono odonyo ipanyi kwara ki kunu gin olungo kumgi ni jo paliwa. Okay. Maruod Ywaya dong otiro kero luak mi bobi pagaya bura biti gi palio gi tek ite lodge mere. Okay. Tie ni na chiel ruod keny olungo lo diro mi bobi ka waje bodgi ni. Kin ma wundong wuru ngoman atamani wun bene miere wunge kama dano mokene tie iye. Andong amira wu ywa wi luak mera wegino chit kama dano mokene tie iye. Ileba chulok mani wu ywa tien lokene wutel wi luak. Wegino ok kama gin miro chiro iye. Ne chalo jo dok ot angwen man o Ywaya wi dano mi kor o terugin kama dano mokene tie iye. Man bena ye gin ma o weho kor mi Pajok o lungo kumgi ni Ywaya. Gi lungo kumgi Ywaya pin gi Ywaya wi luak mokene so they can rule. Gi Ywaya wi luak gi telo luak. Ki control gen they ki control ki govern joni ki Ywaya dano gilungo kumgi ni Ywaya magi oge Pajok ke because gi Ywaya kumgi kuje Pajok mo Ywaya gen kuje bagi Ywaya wi lo gena luak. Okay, matien loken ngo dano ma o Ywaya wigi ya Ywaya. What do you think? Drop your comments. Okay, so now ni chahe Imwahama road ken o donyo kwere ingo Pajok nyo kwere wa Imwahama abero kacho bookman. Wanongo ni jo Pajok obero gi rodi apar biangwen. Ochak ma bene dano mokene lungo ni ochuro okelo jo kor mi Pajok gi anyuak. Okay, iwi pari ka gi kenyu eno kelo gin igot la phone wala la phone kama en ochak oto yeah. Rodi mi Pajok dong tie kid man. Okay, la charge Chaka listen kid ma rodi no jero kede kid ma dong Kwan already met it in version 1 me session any 45. Okay, this is rodi list me rodi mi Pajok after Jo lokoro donye di Pajok ocho ani ngani. Okay, ken wood pa road ochak okelo luak gi lokoro igoragu kama en oto iye. Obak wood pa road ken omako ke pa wone ka oto bene iya goragu. Oto igoragu. Atanga wood pa road obak omako ke pa wone ka en bene oto igoragu. Lagedo wood pa road atanga omako ke pa wone chila chen odak anyomo mugira mati choki dok kulu limu ka en bene oto kuno. Leng wood pa ruột lagero o mako ke pa wone ka en bene oto anyomo mugira anyoa wood pa ruột leng o mako ke pa wone ka en oto god o apini okay o tuk will o tuke wood pa ruột anyoa o mako ke pa wone ka en oto god Loremo matie chok gi god apini anyoda wood pa ruột ature will atuke drop your comments. Am I pronouncing it correctly? Atuke. Please help me. O mahoke pa wone kala chin lo chat opi nyo Arab onego e god lo fu matie choki kulu atebi. Okay. Onek o mean anyoda o loyo ke gibod road anyoda pien bod pa anyoda ma gilungo o ching la kor moy onongo podi pe odongo o ching la kor moy wod pa road anyoda o ma hoke ikar ma road onek o ruenwa krasalara wajani en o ruare gi o ching la kor moy imwaga apar bongwan gi piere dek wa biro Ento imwaga man o ching o nongo dong petie ike. Okay, keep me to more about ngamo team e boat kina. Onek kima o ching la kormoy o kwanyo kekere. Mono uncle perero nyahonem. You can read more log me luo book panga JP Chrysler 1951 nyo parbongoni per bichel. Okay, kin podwarka mi achel pier bir wa biro we podwarka mi achel I pier bir we abor. Okay. Severino du oloyo ke gibod wone o ching la kormoy. Ka ikin mwaka aparbongwen gi pier bichel. I'm sorry, gi pier bir wa bichel. Local government mi to read Okobo Road Odu mi Obedo Road County e Magui. Okay. Yala Dorteo Chingo Kenya Maroke I Mohama Gamente Otero Road Severino Dur in Magui. Chi I Moha Parbong Wangi Pier Borwe Beach and Ottawa I Juba. Road Gildino Lorian mi patanga oloke imwaga parbor I'm sorry parbong wangi pier borwe beach ma road dorteo Kenya to dana wajini road Gildino ma jo Pajok ma be okay Vitorino loin mip kapa dana mapol lungoni umoro guana abi wunya nyingin when I was a kid I think dana mo wajo okay ma bene kong obedo karan bola jaran paruo dote okay loke gi bot road Gildino lorian pewangio pingo jo Pajok otamo mikero road Victorino lon ike makuno no Gildino lorian pori tie makwo dana mi Pajok mo kene chalo Victorino adit omaro choyo road no omaro chayo road Victorino lon. Okay. There's Victorino Adit Ponchayo Road. Victorino Lon. Total. It's a bit confusing. You get a bit of very similar. Yala ko joining on it. Tia nina mo a chill la cho magi lungoni Adit Obero kawaje bodluak ni. Teach ki road Victorino Lon Yot. Pien en omaro kongo ka ngat mo omio bore kongo kwere chila chien Otero dano man ya nyim ruot Vitorino eno chiro loyo luak. What? Chila chien otero dano man inyim Vitorino eno chiro en chiro loyo look. I don't know what that means, but it was just a rumor or a gossip. I guess he just didn't like him. Karong ningo, Goldino Lorian, mi patanga odok ike, tien mi ario, manok, kan, ruod Lorian, o kwanya jo Pajok otergin, ikiradongo camps, in Uganda, ikarma SPLA, SPLM. O kero gang mi Pajok, imwaha, apar bongwan gi piera boru ya biro. Ruod Goldino Loriano to Ikiradongo Refugee Settlement Camp, Uganda, imwaga 2006. Wala ile barrio gi wia bichel. Ruod Elpidio Omuon Oloyo ke ikarma Pajok dong tie Uganda. Dano omiro Ruod Elpidio Omuon pien en obedo Latin mi Ywaya bol meja. Lo diro mi Pajok mokeno waje borani kari bet Elpidio obedo Latin mi Ywaya en peori ke Gaudino Loriano doki ke tien mi adek dano wacho ni Jo Pajok omar doho ruod Gaudino Loriani ke mokare kare kaluak onen lok miro bala ikin luak la dira chiel o wajo kwere borani ruod Gaudino Lorian aye ma ng'eyo yobo lok marach matie ikin luak man gina chiel ma weko dano maro doho en ike. This is true. I remember munongo Lorian tiro ruod onongo wati Kidgum refugee camp in northern Uganda. Lok madung bera timi ko Lorian ma bera kanena loke na bera chief ma lar lok kuja. Yala kar mo monongo ana ronyi mon kuja ndong ad au Kidgum an kena at the age of 4 mo hangwan ke kene arwen kuja ni family twa wakera no warwen wagi mo ni Sudan. By the time mom para bibino nongo nga anti paragi uncle para tumpa dad paragi tia claim ngani Latin tugi on both sides ngara chiani a Latin pere ka register ando Latin pere gi UN and gigina Red Cross ni an Latin pere so they can get benefits. They're two siblings, you know. Gi bero mi gi benefits tugi pat ngaman gi out pere kamo Latin magiti claim dependent and achel and mun an. So my mom barbi no an a couple of years after I'm going to get bina katero ane. So an again auntie paragi uncle paragi koer mi ana khobot mam para. Yala dong Lorian chief Lorian mo bero ka ginadong. En mo bero ka judicate lo munu a trial munu mo time the kid kum kujo lar look era Lorian mo chungi look era ni me find out ada anatin panga belong bolati ana belong bon ngare I belong bot mam para wala belong bot uncle para day wala belong to auntie para Lorraine. You know, eventually dano mo bino witnesses ke bino they support claim pa mam para ni Latin para we hodo yan bot mam para. So Lorian, I remember as a child from the age of 4, Lorian to chief. Chief Tua mi Pajok chief Tua mi Sudan ma no take it white kid gum. Yala been we be chief Tua put it agana one. Tia gana lawyer lodge media chuli mi Pajok chuli mi gana mo bino gi president South Sudan. And when what ye don't kira dongo after Konya bino kera one ke Kenya no was settle Ikira Dongo refugee camp. Lorian no mena put a lawyer Kenya. Lawyer Kenya. Muna I remember up until the age of 8, I remember Lorian. Yeah, so sad to hear that. He passed in 2006. No wonder what you can one again kuya 1993. 1992, what you Kampala 1993, what been on US. But this is the one chief that I know personally as a child. and my family knows him very well. Okay, so na below okay, and a ruling one ket gina mon munu moti manyanya one nyanya two ne. Mama ket what here on Uganda ne and what here lawyer okay. That's what I remember as a child. Okay, drop your comments. Which one of these chiefs do you guys remember? Okay, let me know. Chief told me for job kinini. Leave your comments. Okay, so after Lorian, 2006, yeah, Ningodong wrote Achokon, mi Ywaya, Oloyake, Jo Pajok, Poritie, Ikiradongo camp. So Kinema Lorian Toning, I'm okay to camp your lawyer one, or lawyer camp, gina one, lead one, can you? Nyinga wrote Achokon, okay? Kadongo road oroma paluchebo. Drop your comments. Kati ya kwana maraj, okay? Mi oyere oloyo ke ikarama Pajok Poritie camps kini Uganda kuja different camps in Uganda, okay? Yala kenyunga John Pau Nam mi Ywaya oloyo ke gibod road oroma paluchebo imo hangoni ile baria gibi ya boro te kwar mi Pajok wajini road onam ayema odogodano pajo odogodano pajo gi kiradongo imo hangoni ile baria gibi ya bongwan in 2009 Chaka dogodano gang to South Sudan wale Pajok in 2009. Okay, that was around the time I charged any theater research me Acholi Tekwara Pachol mi South Sudan in 2009, 2010. Okay? Yala tekwar mi Pajok wajini ikarma road o namo o Pajok gi luak mere eno no SPLM o kero road John Abema Dog Road Padana Mokene ma onongo gin tie ka kane I Pajok. Okay? Jomomo dong chino kero gina ko dong ike. Wow, one what I recognize Jomo Kena, the chief toa Mawati Guinea camps in Uganda and other places. So kadong ningo ruoro nam obedo dano maro kuch. Ikarma eno neno kidman ada unam owe okay boat road John Abema. Imwaga ile baria gibi ya bongwen. Imwaga ile baria gibi ya pa. Ma atie katiro joy book mera. Mi tekwar Pachol mi Sudan Australia Pastor Charles Okwo mi kapa owaje borane Rojona Bema yema ono politie ike. So up until 2010 the last chief Mochoy book eri mono tia publishing book and no pori Jona Bema tia chief e Pajok and munu jomo no pori do e Pajok e kan e do Pajok and okero endo chief. So Jono nam oboro ke bore because he was already chief in Pajok and Bobore gang gaga. So up until 2010 he was the last known chief in Pajok. Okay, so now look me ngoni God team gi God mi Ywaya la jojo choni ngo Doc odd mi Ywaya tie kid man are real. No, Doc odd mi Ywaya tie gi team are real. Mana ye team o loyal one ki team ama amoyo tonga. O loyal one gi amoyo tonga. Team man are real duju chon gi chon obero team Pajo obo. Gin mau mi obod Ywaya. Latin mi Ywaya kala ye lamati Maria ma duju. Ento dana mi Pajok pengil nying dana machon gi nying dana manyen. Mau bero kayubo team o loyal one. Okay, if you know this information, drop your comments. Okay. Jo Ywaya bene tie gi God angwen magina ye God luo, God ipul, God kit angweno gi God jal wala God jali. Kagin bene tie gi jok achiel magi lungo jok luo. Okay, so that's it about Ywaya. I'm going to read about Ywaya next. I'm going to stream it and then download and share it with everyone on YouTube and other platforms. Okay. So I hope you guys learned something about Ywaya. If you're from Ywaya, please drop your comments. If you'd like to be a guest, please also join us. Or send me a DM under this video, a private message in my inbox, or a message under this video. Okay, Apwoyo my deck. I'm going to be reading about Oyera next. Let me know what you think, okay? Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube page, subscribe and follow us on Facebook. We are on Facebook as Leb Acholi, on YouTube as Leb Acholi. I'm Jacqueline Come Court, and my segment Kwan Leb Acholi, which is within platform Tomingo, Chaka Leb Acholi. My session number 45, version 2. I'm rereading about Ywaya because last time we had some connectivity issues. I want to make sure people can understand what I'm saying. Oh, I'm at it. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned for our reading on Oyere, which is Kwan Leb Acholi, reading session number 46 on Oyere.